was fun.
Yeah.
Welcome back, guys. How was the ride?
Good.
Fantastic.
Bye.
Ready? All right, second time on Kentucky Flyer. This is a fun little airtime packed family wooden roller coaster. Some excellent airtime on this ride. Really surprising. Here we go.
Wouldn't it be funny if the bird didn't go back?
If the bird came back, no, we don't want no birds. They're all over the place. Ugh. Connecting to the lift. All right. So much airtime. How was that, Braylon?
Really good.
Again, fantastic little family wooden roller coaster here at Kentucky Kingdom.